What's happening, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video on a beautiful morning walk. And I want to make this video because it's a big day for me, and I wanted to share this with you all because without you guys, I never would have hit this milestone. I did $500,000 in the last year selling on Amazon, and it was 100% profit. No, I'm just kidding. My profit came to a little over 100,000. So my margins are around 25%, but that would have come to 125,000 profit. But you know, there's always like little hidden expenses and costs that you don't realize. So I'll just say it was about 100,000. My bookkeeping shows a little more than that, but still, it's pretty amazing. And it just goes to show the power of selling on Amazon FBA. Now, in my business, as you guys know, the last couple of years, I've really shifted to eBay to Amazon flipping. So I buy mostly everything off of ebay.com, gets shipped to my house. I prep it, package it in my newly renovated garage, which it's been awesome. And it's been nice having the air conditioning in there. And then I ship it to FBA. I have a repricer on the back end, and it sells, and I just replenish my inventory. Takes more money, takes more capital, takes more experience. You're definitely not going to have the most amazing margins like going to a thrift store or garage sale. I don't see those 200, 300, 400, 500% margins, but I get to work from home. I'm literally only putting in 10 hours a week now, sometimes a little bit more because my lister quit. So it's kind of been a pain in the butt, but I don't do any sourcing anymore. And when I do, it's just for fun. And it's cool. Yeah, I got people in the Philippines. They buy everything. I've trained them all up. We use different softwares. We have a replens list, and it's just crazy. $500,000. Insane. I mean, it wasn't long ago. I was working at the Cracker Barrel, and I don't even think I had $5,000 in my bank account, right? Now, you know, just in my Amazon business alone, over 6 figures profit. Literally profit. And right now, I'm doing over 12,000 profit. So it's slowly building. And just want to thank everybody. I think a couple big lessons that I've taken from this is, number one, you got to be consistent. Number two, people are going to tell you can't do it. I can't tell you how many people told me, you're going to get kicked off of Amazon, or they said, you're not going to be able to. What's going on? We got a YouTube video going on. Got muscle cars driving by. You're gonna get kicked off. There's not enough inventory on eBay. You know, the profits are way higher at thrift stores. Blah, 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 blah. People hate on you. They tell you it's not possible. And it's just funny how, like, the people who have the biggest mouths ain't getting jack you know what for results. It's like, and I'm not hating on anybody if you're only making $1,000 a month reselling. That's fine. And for some folks, that's a game changer. I mean, my mom, she makes $1,000 to $2,000 a month profit at the end of the day. So she's retired. That's fine for her. But it's just interesting how people will hate on you, and you got to believe in yourself, right? And you got to study the game. You got to get really good at your craft. And that's what I've done with eBay to Amazon flipping. And it was funny. I was looking back on we got a YouTube video going on. We got motorcycles now. What the heck's going on here? I just did 500K. No one cares. You know what the funny thing, another lesson I learned as well, is you got to find a burning desire for why you want to succeed, because ain't nobody give a crap if I made $5 or 500,000. I mean, yeah, maybe people are rooting for you, but at the end of the day, what's your reason? What's my reason? Well, there's a couple reasons. Number one, I never want to go back to the Cracker Barrel, right? Number two, I love making money. Sue me, cancel me. I love making money. Isn't that crazy? A guy named Rake and Profit loves to rake in the profits. I love making money. I love having freedom, right? For me, like, I don't even buy that many materialistic things. I could, right? I made a video like less than a year ago that I'm officially a millionaire now. I could buy a lot of stuff, and I don't say that to impress you, but to impress upon you. Money's not my driving force. It's the freedom it gives me. And also, this is why I always tell folks, start your own YouTube channel, start making videos, create like a free Facebook community, because what drives me the most is when I make money and I make mistakes, or I learn things, or I figure out a new way to make money, like my eBay to Amazon masterclass that teaches people how to do it. I love sharing with other people. Like, in my eBay to Amazon Facebook group, which all the people who join it, they get access to that. It's crazy seeing some of the results that people are getting. Like when I first launched that program, I remember there were people who they weren't even making any money or were doing $1,000 a month. And now there's literally tons of them doing 5, 10, 15, 20K. I'm not saying it's all profit, but I don't know. It gets my juices flowing, right? When I get to help other people. So, that's a big thing. Don't give up. Don't quit. You got to find something that works and double down on it. When I started, learning about eBay to Amazon flipping, people said you can't do it, you're going to get kicked off, blah, blah, blah. But I was starting to get great results. And I had a decision. I remember thinking to myself, what do I do? Do I do what everybody else is doing and just do traditional online arbitrage where I got to deal with freaking price tanking and spend $1 million and the margins are much lower and it's just like super competitive? Or do I double down on this niche? Do I freaking quadruple down on this thing that's working? And I had some crazy flips. And I started with DVDs. Now I'm doing electronics and home improvement and business industrial. And it's like, it's wild. And the truth is, I'm nothing special. For anyone who's been following me for a while, I'm not the smartest. I'm not the brightest, right? I don't have the most talent, but I don't give up and I don't quit. And I don't give a damn if people hate on me. Does it piss me off sometimes? Do I get triggered? Absolutely. I'm a human being. But at the end of the day, you ain't going to stop me. And that's the way you got to think as well. Don't let your friends, don't let your family members, don't let anybody stop you. If you get excited and passionate about something, I'm telling you right now, you got to go for it. You got to go for it 100% because guess what? 6 months, 12 months, 18 months from now, who knows where you can be? And I'm excited to see where I'm going to go the next 12 months. So I just want to say much love. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the freaking best. Shout out to everybody in resellingfreedom.com. Appreciate you guys as well. It's been awesome seeing you guys level up. And a lot of you guys are getting into E to A, OA. Some of you folks are jumping into wholesale. I mean, it's just, what a freaking time to be alive. So I just want to say thank you guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you all. Much love.